Quitting abstaining. Quitting or reducing the frequency of masturbation is a personal choice, and the reasons for doing so can vary from person to person. If you're considering quitting or reducing your masturbation habits, here are some steps and tips that might help you. Self-reflection. Understand your reasons for wanting to quit or reduce masturbation. Is it for physical, emotional, or personal reasons? Knowing your motivation will help you stay committed. Set realistic goals. Decide on a specific goal. It could be to reduce the frequency, abstain for a certain period, or quit altogether. Make sure your goal is realistic and achievable. Identify triggers. Recognize the situations or emotions that trigger your desire to masturbate. Common triggers include stress, boredom, loneliness, or anxiety. Once you identify them, you can develop strategies to manage these triggers. Find healthy alternatives. Replace the time and energy you used for masturbation with healthier activities. Engage in hobbies, exercise, read, or spend time with friends and family. Limit access to triggers. If specific websites, images, or content trigger your urges, consider using website blockers or parental control software to limit access to such content. Stay busy. Keep yourself occupied with activities that you enjoy. Boredom is a common trigger for masturbation, so having a full schedule can help reduce the urge. Stay mindful. Be aware of your thoughts and urges. Mindfulness and meditation techniques can help you control your impulses and redirect your focus. Use positive self-talk. Replace negative self-talk or self-criticism with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your progress and successes. Seek support. Consider discussing your goals with a trusted friend or therapist. Having someone to talk to and share your journey can be incredibly supportive. Be patient. Understand that quitting or reducing masturbation is a process. It's normal to experience setbacks, and it's essential to be patient with yourself and not get discouraged. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eating well, getting regular exercise, and managing stress can positively affect your overall well-being and help reduce the urge to masturbate. Counseling or therapy. If you find that your masturbation habits are negatively affecting your life or well-being, consider seeking professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide guidance and support. It's important to approach this journey with self-compassion and without guilt or shame. Masturbation is a normal and healthy part of human sexuality for many people, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to quitting or reducing it. Your personal goals and boundaries should be respected. Ultimately, the key to success is your determination and commitment to a healthier, more balanced life. If you ever feel that your habits are causing you distress or negatively affecting your daily life, consider reaching out to a healthcare professional or therapist who can provide expert guidance and support.